People in Washington and on the news talk about tariffs like they are a negotiating tactic in a board game, disconnected from the real world. But tariffs have a very real consequences in the real world and can affect companies large and small, affecting prices, even impacting jobs in small towns across America. Hellwig started manufacturing suspension in my great-grandfather's garage in 1946. He would go door to door selling helper springs, and my grandfather would lay on the customer's driveway and install them right then and there. He only bought American-made steel. 72 years later, we still believe in doing things the old-fashioned way, the right way. We design and manufacture all of our sway bars and springs in our plant in Visalia, California. We are still family-owned and operated, and we treat our employees like family, and we still only use American-made steel. We believe in freedom, we believe in creating local jobs, and American manufacturing is in our DNA. But when the tariffs were announced, the demand for American-made steel skyrocketed. The supply chain couldn't meet the demand, so prices skyrocketed too. When the cost of raw materials goes up double digits, the only way to stay in business is to raise prices. We don't like doing that because it impacts our customers. People rely on our suspension to help them get to a job site safely, to help transport their families securely, and to have fun in their vehicle once they get there. We take pride in what we do. We help make people safer, we help them do their job better, and we help cars and trucks handle better. Hellwig is committed to our core values of forging the best possible products from the best materials and doing it locally. That will not change. But we also wanted our customers to know what's happening, why our prices might go up, and to show you the direct impact a trade war can have, even if you've already been doing the right thing and have been buying American raw materials for over 7 decades. Hellwig refuses to compromise on quality, and we refuse to compromise our commitment to American manufacturing. So if you see our prices go up a few points on our product, I hope you'll understand, because we are committed to making the best load and sway control products in the world, just as my great-grandfather intended it.